One second, let me share my screen.
Yes.
Whatever I taught till now, you are clear with that, right?
Yeah, it is cleared, but I need some extra clarification on this one. Last class we have discussed on. Mm,
What
no, no,
views?
no. What is the topic? I forgot.
Window function.
No, no, not window function. Uh, sorry. Okay. Function actually have discussed procedural function something. Store procedure.
Stored procedure. Okay. Hmm.
So it is not completed yet actually. Procedure, I think. It is complete. I don't know.
Stored proc. I didn't get you. It's not complicated in the sense.
No, no. I think is it completed completely or not?
No, no. Completed. Completed.
Okay.
What is to? Yeah. So what is to? Stored proc just we define how to
Yeah,
write the stored
actually the
proc using
step
create.
actually. Yeah, the steps what do we have to follow to
Then
write
you
this.
can remember those things, right? What are the steps? Simple. You need to write create procedure followed by procedure name. Then you can begin your statement followed by whatever query you want to
No,
write it.
actually I have not practiced the I practiced till grade foods, but I have not person. Yeah.
No problem.
Oh,
You can
we
practice
can
it. So,
continue next concept. Yes, yes.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So today is the last class for SQL where we discuss views, index, and CTE, common table expression. So first we'll
Okay.
discuss about views. Views. What are views?
Mhm.
So views are basically we call it as virtual table. Okay.
Okay.
It's known as virtual table. Why virtual table? Because it does not store any data.
Yeah.
It does
It is a
not store
replica
any
of table.
data. Replica of table. It will always show the latest data from base table. Okay. It will always show the latest data from base table. So this is view. Why do we
Yeah.
need a view? Uh, when we need to simplify our complex query, in that case we need view, or for security purpose, let's say you want to hide some sensitive columns. For example, in
Yeah.
our table we have 10 columns, including
Yeah.
those 10 columns we have employee email ID, phone number. So these are sensitive data, sensitive columns, PII data. This
Yes.
data we don't want to share with other teams. So what we can do, if we share that table name, employee table name, so anyone can see their email ID and phone number, right? So
Yes. Yes.
instead of giving them access for that table, what I can do, I will create a new view by
Beams.
excluding those sensitive column, email ID and phone number. I will exclude those column, and with the remaining columns, with remaining 8 columns, I will create a view and I will give access to that view to other team
Yes.
members or other teams.
Okay.
So this is very useful in case of in terms of security. Views are very powerful, very useful. Okay.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
we'll see how we can create a view. It's a replica of table, so it doesn't exist physically. So that is the reason we call it as virtual table.
Yes.
So we had mm, choose cloud DB self product table, right? Products table. Mm. So here you can see we have product category, brand, product name, and price. Let's say you want
Yes.
to hide this price, okay? Because
Okay.
nowadays, if you see almost all the organization, if I talk about, let's say, coaching
Yeah.
center,
Can you use
s-
regular expression on this? to
We can
hide
use
this.
any, yeah, y-
Yeah, okay.
to hide regular, no, we can't. Regular
Okay.
expression is used to search the pattern, not to hide anything.
Yes, yes. But
Okay,
in
we
email
can
ID
mask
actually
it.
we can
No, how we
use
can
the
hide it using regular expression? Using regular expression, we are finding the patterns, not hiding anything. If you
yeah,
want, you
yeah.
can mask it, but you can't hide it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nowadays, almost all the products they are not showing the exact price because by seeing the price, they are losing their customers. So they are hiding the
Yes.
prices. You can see
Yes.
if
Yes.
you enroll in some coaching center as well, they are not showing. They are just showing the course content, but they are hiding the price. Once you call them, then they will show you the price. If you want to buy
Yes.
some apartments and all, they're not showing the exact price. They will ask you to contact with them. Once you connect with them, they will tell you what are the prices.
Yes.
So this price we will hide it by using view. So I'll not give this product table to other team members. Let's say not members, other teams. Let's say we are from delivery team. We don't want to share this table to finance team. So what we can do, we will share only product category, brand and product name, but we will hide this price. So how we can
Yes.
hide? We can create either you can if you want you can create a new table, but views are generally we are using. Okay, because this is lightweight because it doesn't contain any data. It's a virtual table,
Yes.
so we'll create views. So how we can create? It's just a simple. You need to write create or replace view followed by your view name. So let's say view product. Okay,
Yeah.
as now
Select
you need to write your SQL query. Select.
select
We want to
star from
share.
products.
No, why star?
No, no, no.
We want to
Sorry,
share
product
only this
product category, brand and product name.
mm, product category,
Brand and
brand,
product
product name
from products.
from
Brand.
products. Okay, done. So it will create a new view for us. This is the view name.
Yes.
Okay, so now view got created, and now to use this view, simple.
Okay.
Um,
Select
no, no, no.
star.
Select star from this view name. So see, now we got all three records excluding that
Use
price
price. Yeah.
price. So okay. Now here, if I write select a star from, let me write 1 second. Select a star from this view where let's say brand equals to
Okay.
apple. Okay, brand equals to apple. So we'll get all the records related to apple.
Yeah.
So we have these are the number of records which we got. Now, what happens behind the scene? We wrote select a star from this view name. So when
Yeah.
we execute this behind the scene, MySQL will expand the view definition into the
Yeah.
original query. Okay.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
first step is MySQL will expand the view definition into the original query. Then
Yeah.
the optimizer will plan its execution. So this select a star from view name will become, as I said, the MySQL will expand the view definition. So it will
Yes.
become select this thing, product category, brand, and product name
Yeah.
from table name. Then the same thing, where condition. Behind the scene, actually. We
Yeah.
are running this thing, but behind the scene, it is
We
running
have
this.
this unit is
This is
running the
behind.
original database.
This is
Yeah.
This is behind the scene. You don't need to bother about this. This is
Yeah.
behind the scene. Just we will write our view name. We just created this view. So we will run the select star from followed by our table view name.
View beyond.
Hmm. So this is how we are creating a view. This is
Yes.
very powerful. And inside,
Okay, so
see, yeah, what you are
now
asking.
suppose you want to delete any records in the table in view, it will delete or uh, for all the original table, both original and view, it will delete.
No, if you delete any records in your table, okay,
Yes.
so the view should get automatically updated.
Okay. But the original table, it is not affected. Mm.
Then where you
If
will delete it?
suppose you want to delete the view as well as product, that both we cannot delete at a time.
You want to delete view and table both, right?
Yes, yes.
You can delete it. If you
Okay.
want to delete both, you can delete it.
Okay,
You
but
can
at a time
drop,
we
you can,
cannot delete.
no, at a time you cannot, because this is
Okay.
dependent on table. At a time you can't.
Okay. Okay.
First drop your view, then drop the
Okay.
table.
Okay. Understood.
Drop view followed by your view name. Once view get dropped, then you can drop your table.
So,
Okay.
yeah, understood.
Um, then let's talk about indexes. So what is an index?
Yes,
Um, so index is a data structure that will speed up the retrieval. For example, in your book, right? So
yeah, yeah.
we have index page. In the beginning, you have the index pages, which will define
Yes.
that our merge sort is at page number 72, heap sort is at page number
Yes. Yes.
75, quick sort is at page number 77.
Yeah.
If somebody, let's say, if there are no index pages in the book, then if I
Yeah.
ask you to find the quick sort, you have to search page by page. Every
Oh,
page you
yes.
have to search and you have to look whether quick sort is there or not, which will take a lot of time, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
using indexes in our book, it saves our time. The same rule applies here in SQL as well.
Yeah.
This index also works the same as
So,
I
what is
defined
the
that.
use cases means in real time if in
Use
table?
case is to faster retrieve the data. If you write select star from table name and let's say you
Yes.
apply the where clause as well, where product category equals to let's say phone,
Yes.
that will take some time, milliseconds, because our data is very small. This product table is only 27 records, so it will
Yes.
take
Yes.
millisecond. But
Yeah.
ideally, we are having let's say
Mm.
millions of records in
Yes.
production.
Yes.
So what happens if you write select star from product where product category equals to phone? It will take around um, let's say 20
Mm.
seconds to 30 seconds, because
Yes. Yes.
what will happen? Without index? What will happen? Once again, I'll explain you. Let's say I write select star from my product table
Yeah.
products where product category equals
Okay.
to let's say phone. Okay.
Yeah.
Till now, I have not defined my index. So what will happen when I execute this?
Mm.
So it will take some time. Okay. Let
Yes.
me show you how much time it is taking. So it took 0.00 second
Yes.
because our data is very small.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what will happen when I executed this? It will start from first row. Okay. It will
Yeah.
start from first row. When I let me show you the select start from product table. So all these we have total 26 or 27 records. It will start from first row, and it
Yeah.
will check all the rows where product category is phone or not, phone or not, phone or not. It will scan
Yeah.
complete table.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
imagine we have millions of record, it will scan millions of record, which will take a lot of time.
Yeah.
So without index, it is doing a full scan of our table.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
when we create index, instead of doing full scan, it will traverse. It will jump directly to that particular this phone.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So which means instead of doing a full scan, it will search for only this one.
Yeah.
So this will save our time. This is the real use case
Yeah.
to um, faster the execution time. We use indexes to fasten the select query, to fast where clause join order by. So this is very
Yeah.
essential when we have large table, millions of record. In a
Yeah.
small table, you can't see the power of index because just now when I executed this, it took only 0.000 second. Even if
Yeah.
you apply index, you will see it will take only this much of time. So you can't compare whether index is working or not. When you have millions and billions of record, at that time you can compare it. That is very again, index is it's not needed that every time you have to apply index. On a smaller table, there is no need to apply index. If you have larger table, then only go for index.
Yes.
Okay, this is the use of index. So how can we create index? See here I will apply index, but you can't see the faster execution time because this only took only 0.00 second. We don't have anything less than 0.00 second, right? So you
Yes.
can't
Yes.
compare it now.
Small
But
record
this
time.
is the way, yeah, a small table is there. But when we deal with larger table, at that time you can see the difference. So
Yeah.
we have syntax create index followed by index name. So
Yes.
let's we want to create, okay, we will create index based on some column. Either you can create index on product category or on brand or product name, or if you have any date column, okay,
Yeah.
year column is there. So you can
Yes.
apply index based on year. So let's say we have data from last 15 years.
Yes.
So if you apply on years, so 2025, 2024. So instead of doing the full scan, it will search for only that particular year.
Year. Yeah.
Year. So in this case, we don't have any year, date column. So now let's say we will apply index on this column, product category.
Yeah.
So I can write IDX index prod
Right.
category. Prod category.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my index name. You can give it anything
Yes.
on my table name. So my table name is products.
Product category. Oh, sorry. Products.
Which which column? Product category. Create
Right.
index followed by index name
Product
on
category.
which table name. Okay. On which column? So my column name is
Product category.
product category. Simple.
Yeah.
Now we created the index. And it's not like you can create index on only one column. You can create index on multiple column as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So that we
Yes.
call it as composite index. So here only you can write, let's say product category, comma, your another column name.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me run this. It will create an index for us. Okay. Now, after doing this, again, we will execute this same thing. Select a star from table name where product category equals to phone.
Yeah.
Now, index has been created on product category column.
Yeah.
Now, if you run the same query,
So how do you know the column
index has
is
been
running?
created or not.
Yeah. The time of the same column name is the execution time of the same column.
See, you can see it here only. Here we can see the execution time. You can see right in the last column.
Yeah. No. Actually, we are using one column. No. So how we are identify actually? So
What
what
you
is the
need to
execution
identify.
timing of the same column name of the
That's
table?
what I'm see. That's what I'm saying. Here you can see here. See me. See my cursor. This is the
Yes.
last column where the execution time is showing.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
without creating index, it took 0.00 second.
Yeah.
After creating the index, also it is taking 0.00 second because we don't have anything less than 0.00 second.
Yes.
If
Yeah,
we have
understand.
larger table, then we can identify whether it is working correctly or not. It is taking less time or not. Currently, we don't
Mm.
have larger table. Just
Yes.
remember this. This is how you can create an index. When
Okay.
we deal with larger table, let's say in our project, we can create index at that time. You can identify. There will
Mm.
deal with larger table with let's say 50,000 records or 1 lakh
Mm.
record. At that time, you
Yes,
can
sir.
see the power of index. Now we can't see that
Okay.
because without index only it took only 0 second.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
zero
with
zero.
index, obviously, it obviously it will take zero only.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Less than
understood.
zero, we don't have anything.
No.
So just remember, without indexing MySQL or any database,
Yeah.
that it will scan completely, full table scan.
Okay.
Okay, and it will check the condition row by row. But
Mm-hmm.
it after index, it will jump directly to phone instead of checking all the
Okay.
records. It
Yeah.
will directly jump to the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, understood. Mm.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
what we have in index. But and now you might think like, how do we verify whether index has been used or not? Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
this you can think about it. So we can use explain to check.
Mm.
So here only I can write explain, select start from table name, the product category equals to phone. So here you can see, you can see the keys. Okay,
Yeah.
product category. Index has been
Period.
created here.
Yes. So what are the columns
So this
here? Okay.
table name you can see product table. Okay,
Yeah.
and key. What are the key we defined? Index name. You can see here the index name.
Yeah. Yeah, understood.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can create multiple indexes
Same.
and as I said, when you have a small table, remember when you have a small table, don't use index. Okay. When you have
Yeah.
a small table, don't use index. And also
Yes.
remember one thing, when, when we create index, so reading will get improved because we created index, it has partitioned the data, so um, reading will get improved, but writing will be slower. Reading is faster,
Yeah. 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 Actually, reading is fast.
but writing will be slower. This is what index. So use only when you have larger data.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
We will see this index once again when we create some projects. At that time, we'll see.
Okay.
Or else, if you
Okay.
have a larger table, then you can apply by your own if you have larger table. And so for this, we have a smaller table with just 30 records or 40 records. Yeah, you can try. Then you can see the execution time will get decreased.
Yeah.
Just now I executed this, it took 0.01 second. So all you can see
Yes.
it is just less than 1 second only. All the things you can see I have executed, all these are less than 1 second. So
Yeah.
because our table is very small in size.
Please. Yes.
Uh,
Uh,
We'll use the larger in our project. Okay, so don't worry. All these things will cover in our project as well. But if
Okay.
you
So,
find some larger table on online, then you can try to use these concepts.
okay. We
Now
can
we will
export
see
also some
what.
we can also export data from outside. Like,
Correct, correct. Export data from outside. You can use Kaggle
mm,
or
yeah,
data.gov. All those websites are there which we can
yes,
download and use it. This is common table
yes,
expression, CTE. Okay. Now what
okay,
CTE is, this is very, I mean, popular. So it's a basically a temporary result set. Okay. When you
okay,
want to see some temporary result, in this case, we can use
mm,
CTE, which will
okay,
exist. This exists only during the query execution. Okay.
okay,
During the query execution, it exists because this is a temporary result set. Why do we need
yes, yes,
CTE? Because it
yeah.
improves the readability.
It
How it
uses
will
on
improve the reader?
yeah, it uses on view as well as table also. Means the common
In
table
this,
expression we can use.
mm, okay, yeah, yeah, on anything you can use it. Table view, anything you can use it.
Okay,
This is basically to write the clean and readable SQL to avoid the repeating logic, and for easier debugging, we are using CTE, common table expression. Remember one thing, that this is just temporary result set, which will exist
okay,
only during the query execution.
okay,
So, for example, um, uh, let's say you have to find out the products which are priced
mm,
above the average category. Okay, select
yeah,
star from products. Why this is okay? Okay, leave it. So this is my table. Okay, select a star from table name. This is my table
yeah,
name. Now you need to find out the products which are above the category
average.
average category. Okay,
Mm,
which
mm,
means you can find out the average price,
yeah,
whatever average price, 1300 plus 1100. You can calculate the average of these price, and you need to find
yes,
out the product which are greater than the average price. Okay, so
okay,
how we
understand.
calculated this? Already we calculated this, right?
Yeah, we
Using
can use a window function.
nested, we can use
Yeah,
window function, we can use nested query or subquery,
yeah,
right?
yes, yes,
That we calculated. The same thing we can do with CT as well.
okay.
So the same thing on, let me write that first using subquery. Select a star from table name,
Select,
products,
uh, yeah,
where
is greater than select star from where price greater than
greater than
select average price from
average price
product.
from products.
Yeah, then
Mm, yeah, this is done.
yeah,
So these are the products which are greater than the average price. Okay. Now same thing we can
Yeah.
write by using CT.
Yes.
So for CT we can use with clause, with followed by any name. Let's say
Mm,
average price, AVG
mm,
PR. Okay. Average price with
mm,
clause. Okay. Now here we can write our select statement.
mm,
Select what do you want. So
mm.
let's say I can write select.
Average and
Yeah. Same thing I can write. Let's say select product category,
mm,
comma average.
product name. Person.
No, average price
Mm,
as let's say average price from my table name. My table name is product.
mm. Product.
Then since I use average, I have to use group by.
Group by
Group by what?
category.
Product category. 1 second. Okay. With class, select this from group by and all. Okay, fine.
It's a data. Actually, having price, average price.
1 minute. Yeah, sorry. So I was saying, so with clause, we can use this
Mm,
syntax. Uh,
mm,
1 second. This is the syntax actually. Okay. With city as
yes,
uh, with city as, then you can write the same thing here. Let's keep the same thing here.
yeah.
With city, select this is this, where this, and after this, we can write select a star from my city name, average PR. Okay, average PR.
Mm,
Now, when we execute this, we get the same output. Now, you might be thinking, what is difference between these two, right? The
yes.
correct. This is
Yeah, yeah.
also return the same output. This also return the same output. This is correct. It is just
Mm,
2 lines, but it is having 4 or 5 lines. 5 lines. Then why do we need CT? As I said, see, in CT, here, if you try to read, you will read this select star from product where price is greater than select average price from products. Now here,
yes.
actually, the main logic we have written at the top. And finally, we are just simply writing select star from our CTE name. So this is easier to read. We don't need to bother about the above logic. We will forget about it. If somebody else will try to read your query, they will simply
Yeah,
look into this select star from followed by your city name. Inside the city, what you have written, that they will not look into it. For example, if you know Python
okay.
or any other programming language, we are
Yes,
defining
yes.
the modules
Yeah,
like print statement we have. Okay. We are writing print statement inside print. If I write anything, it will get printed. But
yeah,
this print statement is used to print some value, print the
yeah,
output.
yeah.
But it's not like we are using directly print. Inside this print, we have written lot of codes, lot of line of code
Yes,
just
yeah,
uh, to make this functionality to return the output. Similarly, when we use select star from CT, inside the CT, whatever logic we have written, no one will look into it.
mm,
They will simply look into line number 46. Select star from this table. So this makes reading
yeah,
easier.
right.
That is the reason we are using CT.
Mm, okay.
Apart from this, there is no use for
Well,
CT.
okay.
Your voice is breaking, Jagan.
Yeah, maybe
No, no,
it's,
it's
uh,
breaking a lot. No, it's
hello?
not clear. Hello?
Yes, maybe.
No,
Hello?
no, I can't hear. I can't hear you.
Right now I'm audible.
Can't hear you properly.
Can you use this underscore PR in other means tab?
I can't hear you properly. Hello? 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 So, I was saying, so this city,
Yes,
hmm
yes.
you are asking something. I mean, I
Yeah,
told you
yeah.
that
Can
this
you
is
yeah can you use the same query in other tab to call this with name?
no, 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 we can't. We can't. Within the same. file we can use this again and again reuse it, but in another file we can't use it. It's not like a Python module or any other programming module.
In Python we
We can't
can
use.
do like that.
Yeah, we can. Correct. We can. But here we can't. This is common table expression. This is just a temporary result set. So after line number 46, when we execute this, this will lost. Average PR will get lost. So we can't
Okay.
use in another tab or another file.
Okay.
This CTE basically we are using for a readability purpose. This will make easier to read, and for we can use it, we can reuse it. For this we can use it CTE, but we can't use in another file.
Okay.
If I do this thing, see, we got an error. Does not exist, right? So in next file we cannot use it.
Okay. See. Under.
This is a temporary result set.
Okay. Uh, in real time we are using for temporary result. In means
For temporary.
if you want to get any data for table then we can use this with actually.
Yeah, yes. For temporary result set, we can use this.
Okay.
Okay. Mm, s- we can this whatever I have written this select star from whatever SQL query. You can write anything. You can use
Okay.
group by here. You can use window function here. So after writing the window function at the end, we can write select star from
Can you
this.
write a store procedure inside store
Anything we
procedure?
can, anything we can use it. SQL query we can write anything.
Okay.
Inside this, let me give you another example. So let's say you want to um
Mm.
as we discussed in window function, we calculated expensive products per category if you remember.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's say we want to calculate um most
Too
expensive.
expensive. Yeah.
Okay, two most expensive, anything, two most expensive products per category using
Category.
window function we calculated, right?
Yes.
mm, let's write the window function first. So select what we want,
Select
product category. Then we want product
uh,
name as well.
price
Product
product.
name, price. Okay, let's add
Yes.
the price. Then we'll use window function. Let's use row number,
Name.
over clause. Let's
Overall.
partition
Yes. Partition
by
product category.
uh, product category.
Then order by price and descending.
Yeah, order by
Price
price in
descending.
descending order. Order by price in descending order. And we can
Yes.
give this as a row number. So Rn row number.
Yes.
We
Get
can
that.
write
Yeah.
from
Yes.
table name. So my table name is products.
Yes.
Okay.
To actually
Fine.
not
For now,
to.
yeah,
Yeah.
that we will apply later. For now, let's
Yeah. Okay.
execute this. Okay. So now we can see the ranking. Okay.
Yeah.
We can see the ranking for earphone product category. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 earphones are there, but we need two most expensive products. Two most expensive products, which means AirPods
Mm.
Pro and this WF something. Okay, so we'll get these two
Yes. Yes.
products in earphone. Similarly, in
Yes.
headphone, we'll get AirPod Max and this one in headphone.
We
Okay,
can.
top two, top two we want. So how we can use it here only if we use, I mean,
Yeah.
if we
Uh,
use where RN where rn less than equals to 2, that we can do that.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
at top we can write select star
Select
from, I will use
bracket.
this nested query. Okay, I can give this name as IQ,
Mm.
where
Select RN is then get away.
rn less than equals to 2.
Yes, yes.
Okay, iq.rn it should be. We got this AirPods Pro WF in headphone also. We are getting this right. This using window
Yes, yes.
function we use. Now the same
Yeah,
thing using CTE, I will use it. This is using normal window function,
yeah.
using normal window function. Now with using CTE,
CTE with I think it from
what I will do, I will remove this. Um, so here I will use with clause, with followed by my
with
CTE name. So
yeah.
let's say ranked or top two
So
products
product
as, and I will end this here. Okay.
yeah.
Now after this, I will write select star
Select from
from
top two
my
products.
my CTE name,
Yeah. Where
where what
RN top
rn
two product RN less
less
than
than
equal to
equals to 2.
2.
Done. So let's run this. See, we got the same output using CTE. So this
Yes.
is a temporary result set.
Yeah. And
Okay. What else? Nothing else.
and
From tomorrow we can
if I want to fetch the duplicate value, I delete the duplicate value using CT. Then actually I checked once in ChatGPT. So he told something how to delete duplicate value using CT.
using CTE how
Del-
to delete it.
yes.
But why do you want to delete
No,
C?
actually,
Uh,
I checked on interview. He asked same thing. Kindly delete this record using CT and with the
See,
function.
using
Right?
C, got it, got it. See, see, what is CT? CT, this is one line, okay, with clause.
Yeah.
CT means with clause, you need to use it.
Yes.
Any SQL query you can write inside CT. Either you want to delete the record, you want to insert the record, you want to do any kind of thing, you can do it.
Yeah.
Just in the outer thing, you can write this with clause. That will become your CT.
Okay.
Okay. So there is no new thing is there in CT. CT is just in the outer part you need to use with clause. But the remaining thing as you see here, the same query I pasted here, right? In window function I was using this, the same thing I pasted here. It is working fine.
Yes. Yes.
So with CT, so don't get confused like how we can do it using CT. You can do anything, whatever you are doing with normal query. At the top you can write with clause that will become your CT.
Okay. Understood. No, actually, actually, I have checked in ChatGPT. Actually, I asked some question, interview question of this. He told so many times the interview asking delete the duplicate records from the table. told like that.
Uh, yeah, you can delete the duplicate records. You can do duplicate recording. To delete the duplicate record, there are multiple ways. Okay,
Yeah.
there are multiple ways. I will also tell you how to delete those. There are
Yes.
multiple ways. So all the ways you can write this SQL query, but at the top you can use this with clause. That will become your CT.
Okay.
CT is just where we use with clause. That's it.
Okay. So, can you discuss after this course means the interview question on the yes for SQL? Means it is
Yeah,
finished today, no? That's all.
yeah, it got finished. Today we will not discuss, not tomorrow, because we will start our Python session.
Yes, yes.
Uh, Tomorrow actually we don't have any class. I'm going to
Yeah.
office tomorrow. From
Okay.
tomorrow onwards, we'll start Python and take some time for preparation. Okay, we'll discuss about this SQL. It will be a kind of mock interview as well, where I'll ask question related to SQL, whatever I taught you.
Yes,
So
yes.
prepare that, and after that we will discuss about the interview question as well.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
And
and
one topic is left, I think. Trigger, right?
which one?
Triggers.
Trigger. No, no, I have not covered the trigger, and I am also not aware of trigger. Trigger, I know what is, but I have not implemented triggers in my project.
Okay.
Trigger is what? Whenever you any action is happen, let's say you have inserted any records. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you define the trigger, so that will get inserted in your new table that okay, this records got inserted. So this we are not implementing in our project and also this trigger I have not included in my things.
Okay.
Whenever you perform any action, so trigger will get call. If you inserted any records, so in the trigger will call, and the same thing you can see in your let's say temp table that record got inserted. You can see some text there that one record got inserted or record got deleted. In that case, we can use triggers.
Mm, understand.
So we will start Python from day after tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
So, uh, so may I install something or we can start using online means for practicing purpose.
we can start using online, or if you want, you can install.
Anaconda is there, I think. Anaconda.
No, no, no. For now, Anaconda is not needed, or Jupyter Notebook is not needed. We will
Okay.
start from the basic. Later, you can install Anaconda or PyCharm. There are a lot of
Okay.
IDEs there. But as a beginner level, um, VS Code, if you already using VS Code, you can use VS Code. So no need to install
Okay.
Anaconda. Okay.
Okay.
But the first thing you need to do is need to go here, right? Download Python for Windows. Come to this official website, download Python.
Yes.
This IDE we need to install it. Whatever the latest one you can see, you can download it. You can go to download and download the Python 3.1.4. You can download this.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Or
In virtual, sorry, VM also we can install directly.
yeah, yeah. If you are using VM, there also you can use it. Anywhere you can install it. Install it. This thing you need to install it. Okay. And it will ask you to set the path in environment variable. There only you will get the option. If you check that option, so the environment variable will get added automatically. Okay,
Okay.
so that you can do this, and we can use the online compiler as well. Later we can install those Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, and all those things. VS Code, if
Okay.
you are already using, we can use the VS Code.
We can also use BS Code. Inside the BS Code, some packages are there, I
Yeah,
think.
correct. That's what I'm saying. Inside the VS Code, I'm using VS Code. Okay, I'm not using
Mm.
Anaconda and all. So
Yes,
inside
yes.
VS Code only you can use it.
Okay.
So
So,
get ready with the installation part, and we'll discuss. We'll start Python. Except this, any other doubt you have? You was asking whether we can complete it or not. So don't worry, we can complete this. This Python will take on 1 week only. In 1 week we can complete Python. Okay.
yeah, no.
Then we can start data engineering fundamentals, and we'll jump to
Yeah, no.
Microsoft Azure.
Okay.
Any other doubt here?
I'm
And
waiting for the.
as I said, prepare for this SQL, whatever topics I covered.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And I'll give you, I mean, 1 week of time. Prepare well.
Mm,
Then we have a
mm.
discussion about these topics one day.
Okay.
And